Okay, how to set up sales codes. I see people setting up sales codes all the time. Before setting up sales codes, I would highly recommend that you first look if there are standard sales codes that you can tweak. Okay, when I say that, it's because when you set up sales codes, there should be corresponding general account codes, GL accounts. Okay, these are sales codes that correspond with GL codes in our chart of accounts. If that does not make sense to you, you should not be adding or removing sales codes or GL accounts in this or anybody's studio designer or any other accounting software. Okay, but this is how you would set up sales codes. Sales codes require GL codes, okay, in the chart of accounts. If that does not make sense, I would either set up a call or contact studio to avoid any problems. 9 times out of 10, setup problems that create issues further down the road are always, almost often, created by somebody that does not have formal accounting training. Okay? If you have questions, leave them in the comments or email info@mareevuitton.com. Thanks.